Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to use the XMATCH function in Excel to find the position of a value in a list. First, make sure you have a list to search. For example, names in cells A2 through A10. Now, click the cell where you want the result. Type equals XMATCH, open parenthesis. Type the value you want to find. For example, type John inside quotes. Type comma. Select the lookup array. For example, select cells A2 through A10. Close the parenthesis. Press Enter. Excel returns the position of the value in the list. For example, 3 means it is the third item in the range. XMatch is more flexible than match. It works left or right and supports exact matches by default. If the value is not found, Excel returns an error. You can wrap XMatch in if error to handle that. That's it. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.